What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome here for those who are new. I'm Irene, and if you want to know more about my channel, you can check out my previous videos that I've uploaded. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I will put the links down below at the description box. So Christmas is just around the corner. I'm so excited, and I know that everyone are finding presents or gifts to give to their loved ones, and I would like to share with you how to wrap a present with just 3 simple steps. First, you need to know what you're getting for your loved ones, and it will be best if you know what exact item that they really love to have. You can list down the items that you hope or love to give to them, and you definitely can get additional 1 unique item to give that special little touch to the gift. Second, you only need 2 basic items to wrap your gifts. The 2 materials that you need are just paper bag, a nicely simple design that you want to give to your friend or loved one, tissue gift wrapped. Yes, and we tend to call it tissue paper, but you know it's not the kind of tissue paper that you tend to use, and I'll teach you how to do it. I got these paper bags from SKP. I love their cute, pretty designs there. I think they have a total of 4 designs, but I ended up with these 3 designs for the gifting. What I did was to gather the items that I want to pack into each paper bag. As you can see here, I was gathering the items for each bag. Make sure you know which items belong to which paper bag and to whom you are giving to. This tissue gift wrapper is from Popular Bookstore, which I got for just $1.90 for 10 sheets. Please handle it gently, as this material is pretty thin and fragile. It is not scratch resistant at all. Here I am folding the tissue paper. As you can see here, I fold it into 2 mountains look like kind of shape, and then I will fold it into the center again, or even not so centers, to give that kind of messy yet organized kind of look. What I do here is that I'm arranging the items. I give some space for my tissue paper so that I can slot the tissue paper into the bag nicely without damaging it. You can give it a little press, slow and steady, without damaging it, without breaking it, and you arrange accordingly. And at the end of the day, as long as you're happy with it, it looks okay to you. That's it. This is another method of how you can make use of the tissue paper. You can fold it like the earlier on, or you can just do it the other way around like I'm doing here, putting your hand below the paper and pull it up and grab it with your arm or hand. Usually I will grab it with my arm, but in this case, because I want to show it to you, so I grab it with my hand. But it's okay to be messy. It's supposed to be like that, so it doesn't look very 100% perfect. So this is how it will look like, the outcome product. If you are working and you have no time to wrap your gifts, I feel that this is one good method to wrap your gifts with just 2 simple steps. And of course, you can add that extra special touch to your gifting by giving your loved ones a handwritten Christmas card with personal messages. I feel that a handwritten Christmas card is very meaningful. It brings joy to the one receiving it.
How the new year lights and lasts,
Although we are in the midst of finding gifts, giving gifts, I feel that we should remember Christmas is celebrated to remember the birth of Christ. It is a very meaningful event, and to me it is also an act of reminder of God's love for us. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos. Follow me on my Instagram too. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on my next video and happy holidays.